Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look. If you want to know how I got this look, stay tuned. So just a quick start, I'm just going in with my NYX Total Control drops and the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation. And I don't know what made me combine these two, but I know one shade is too light and one shade is about too dark for me. So I just what am I trying to say? I combined both of the shades and I just mixed them together to get that one shade. And then you already know I'm going to be going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey to highlight under my eyes, my nose, my chin. You know, all the other stuff, the usual highlight, damn near the whole face. I lied, not the whole face, but just some areas. And this is y'all first time probably seeing me blend out my concealer with the brush. And I use a brush just because, one, you can get fuller coverage that way, blending it out. And two, it kind of tones down the shade kind of from blending it out with the foundation brush that you use, considering it's still product on that brush. So it's like you're still mixing products with each other. You're mixing the concealer you use and you mixing the foundation you use. Okay, y'all, so I'm going in with my Black Radiance banana powder and I'm just pressing it into my skin. I don't really like to bake because I feel like it made the highlight look too brighter than what it's supposed to be. But I only bake on my nose because my nose is the oiliest part of my face. So I just like to bake my nose, but anything else I don't really bake like that unless I'm having a long night or I'm going somewhere like for a real long time and I'm gonna be out all day. So yeah, now I know y'all just seen me put some powder on and then put another layer on top, but that's just because when you press the powder in already, when you put another layer on top, it's not gonna give you that cast look anyway, but it's just gonna like help it sit better. So right now I'm just going in with that Lemonade Craze palette and then I'm just going in with some brown shades. I think I went in with the Morphe 25B palette as well for this brown shade too. I was kind of going for I think a brown smoky eye, but I was just putting brown on top of brown, honestly. It came out cute though, but then at the same time I look like I blacked my fucking eye. So for the contour, I'm going in with that reddish shade and that brownish shade, and then I'm just contouring my cheeks. And you know the usual, do the forehead, the cheeks, the nose, all that. And to be honest, I wish I could teach y'all how to contour and what colors to use because I really don't even know how to contour myself. I learned from somebody on YouTube I watched. I think her name was Makeup by Tiffany J. Yeah, I learned by her like what contour color to use because we have the same palette anyway, so it's like, okay, why not, you know? And then plus we was the same, I wouldn't say we was the same shade, but we were close to the same shade and we used kind of the same shades anyway, so they kind of made me feel like I know what shade to use. Yes, bitch, this is my favorite part. These goddamn lashes, girl. Yes, these are from AliExpress. And yeah, that's how I set my face with that Miliani setting spray, 16-hour wear, whatever you want to call it. And you know, my favorite highlighter, that Maybelline Chrome thing. I forgot the name of it. I always forget the name or something. But I'm gonna leave the products in the description box if you guys want it. But yes, girl, them motherfucking lashes, bitch. Yes. This is the final look, and this for you hating ass, crusty ass hoes. No, I did not get no flashback. That is the lighting. And like, comment, subscribe, share, and see y'all next video. I'm gonna bow till I fall. I'm in that bitch on the mall. Say that she having no choice. Say that she coming to New York. Count that money, keep going. Count the honest, keep going. Count the honest, keep going. Count the honest, keep going.
said my boy make a munch. She said my boy make a munch.